Good morning, guys. How are you doing? Welcome to the channel Bullet's Garage. Today, just a boring old Thursday. I'm off from work. Hot day today. Car got caught on the rain a few times when I was driving, so it's a little dirty. I'm gonna give it a quick wash because this Saturday is Supercar Saturday in South Barrington, and I'm gonna go in the morning too. Got nothing better to do. Gonna hit that up for a few hours, get some videos, see some nice cars, hang out. So I figured I'll just, wash the car and show you guys, the beading action of the Adams Polishes Ceramic Pro Coating, how well it's holding up. Really love the beading action. It holds up really well. The water beads off. Like right now, I went in the garage, I'm like, do I really need to wash it? It looks clean as hell from more than 5 feet away, but when you get closer you see little specks, especially on the lower side by the rocker panels and the rear bumper behind the wheel. It looks a little bit dirty, so I'm gonna give it a quick wash so it's nice and perfect, sparkly clean for Saturday morning. And that's about it for this video. I do have all 3 of my puppies here today. So you all do know Frenchie. He is the old boy, 12 years old. He's a cotton de Tulare, fancy guy. And then my other 2 are being reckless over here, Lily and Lexi. That's my little girl Lexi right there. You never see her too much because she's always with my parents. She's loves my dad, so she doesn't come out too much. And then the black one is Lily. So they're gonna be hanging out with me today while I wash the car. So let's get right into it, guys. So majority of the car, the lower portion is what's dirty. Who knows if this video will do justice, but there is marks and some dirt all around and underneath the rocker panel here. It's pretty dirty, and of course the wheels get dirty. I did do some heavy braking, getting off the highway from like 120 and stopping real hard, and I smelled the brakes for a pretty good amount of time. Pretty dirty right there. Alright, so I just gave it a quick spray. Just look at that beading. And this is on a dirty car, guys. Runs off. Beautiful beads. I did the wheels also. You can see the water beads off the wheels as well. They do not get nowhere near as dirty as they did previously, which is a great thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and hose it down with the pressure washers, do the wheels. I'll bring you back in for some beauty shots with the foam cannon, and that'll be it. This right here is my favorite part of washing the car. I got my Chemical Guys soap and my MTM Hydro low pressure foam cannon, and let's suds this baby up. So now that I got the whole car coated, the rest of this I just put into my wash bucket. But as you can see, you know, before the ceramic coating, this soap basically stuck on there real good, but with the ceramic coating it slips off so much quicker. Like some areas are already not even covered by the soap because it just keeps dripping right off because no dirt, no soap sticks to it. So gonna fill the rest of this up, empty out that bottle and wash it up, and that'll be it. But really love the ceramic coating by Adams Polishes. Makes the car so much easier to wash and maintain. Like look at this area, some of this is already dripping off because nothing's sticking to it. So I gotta get onto it, wash her down, dry her off, and get her ready for Saturday. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. Say bye-bye, kids. Say bye-bye, everybody. Please subscribe to our videos so you can see more of us. Alright guys, have a good day, have a blessed week, and stay safe. Take care. See you on the next video.